Good day, learners, and big hello to everyone who is watching Valenzuela Facebook live streaming. I'm Teacher Mase, your Technology and Livelihood Education 6 teacher for today. New quarter, new learning. How do you feel about it? Are you happy? Excited? Thankful? Can I see your reactions? Can you send an emoji that describes how you feel right now? That was great, learners. Some of you were thankful, happy, and excited to have new learnings. Today, we will be focusing on this competency, which is the ideal entrepreneur produces simple products. Code TLEIE 60A-2. At the end of the session, you should be able to, number 1, make a plan for a simple product to sell. Number 2, produce simple products to sell. And number 3, value the importance of producing goods to sell. Before we begin, type your name, your section, and your school in the comment box. And it is greatly appreciated if you have with you your module, your pen, and your paper. I think we are all set. Before we begin with our topic, let us sing our favorite TLE song that is composed by Mr. Carlito Taglas Jr. TLE will help you to be live ready.
Hello, student, listen to me. Let's start the TLE. The subject that brings out the best in everybody and includes you and me. Agriculture, ICT, Industrial Arts, HE. All of these components will help you to get ready so you can reach your goals and dreams. Let us study TLE. Let us study, come with me. All of the knowledge and all of the skills will help you to be life ready. Will help you to be life ready.
Great singing, learners! Before we move on to our lesson, let's have an activity that will measure what you know about entrepreneur. Let's play word cross. Directions. Answer the word cross using the given clues. You may type your answer in the comment box. The first one, kind of entrepreneur who offers products and services for social goods. The answer is social. Next, knowing the demands of the community. The answer is survey. Another, known as goods. The answer is products. Next one, entrepreneur who sells business to successors. The answer is cereal. The next one, money earned from sales. The answer is profit. Next, person who meets the needs of the people. The answer is seller. Next, work offered by the entrepreneur. The answer is services. The next one, person who produces products and offers services. The answer is entrepreneur. Last one, entrepreneur who operates the business alone. The answer is solo. Very good, learners. By knowing more about entrepreneurs and their qualities, I must say you can be a great entrepreneur someday. Because of that, let's have another activity. Let's play Arrange Me. In this activity, you have to arrange the given letters to get the correct answer. Type your answer in the comment box. Number 1, it is a series of actions to be done to produce quality product. If your answer is procedure, you are right. Number 2, a good blank must be well crafted by the entrepreneur so that it can be patronized by the customers. The correct answer is product. Number 3, a container or other household materials used to produce the product. Is your answer is utensils? You are correct. Number 4, it is a clear idea on what shall be done in order to produce the product. The correct answer is plan. Is your answer correct, learners? And number 5, it is to find out the needs and demands of the customers to ensure that the products can be sold. If your answer is survey, you got it right. Good job, learners! On the 11th day of March, coronavirus, or known as COVID-19, was declared by World Health Organization as pandemic. Many business firms were affected because of the social distancing and safety measures imposed by government to reduce the spread of the virus. Because of community quarantine, entrepreneurs made innovative solutions to keep their businesses survive even in difficult times. The most popular form of business is the online selling. And the door-to-door delivery of products, they are part of what we call new normal. Most of the products being sold are foods and health concern, like items like masks, face shields, alcohol, and gloves. At your age, you can try to be a good entrepreneur by producing products and let your family members sell them through online too. With your creativity, resourcefulness, skills, and with the guidance of your family members, you can make a good plan on how you can produce simple things to sell. Follow the plan carefully and do it with love. To ensure the product that will be sold, let's watch this video.
Second one is the materials. Letter A, ingredients. Our ingredients is 6 pieces banana. The price is 18 pesos. 12 pieces lumpia wrapper, 10 pesos. 1/4 brown sugar, 12.50. Oil, 25 pesos. Total cost, 65.50. Letter B, let's have our tools or utensils. We have a knife, container, chopping board, gas stove, frying pan. The third one is the procedure. Number 1, peel and slice banana in lengthwise. Number 2, roll the banana on a plate of sugar. Number 3, wrap in lumpia wrapper. Number 4, deep fry and put it on a strainer to let the excess oil to drip. To make the product marketable, a good entrepreneur always ensures the quality of his or her products and sell it with a good salesmanship and at a reasonable price. I hope you learn a lot from this video. Thanks for watching.
Let us see how much knowledge you have gained in our lesson. Let's have an activity. Let's play fact or bluff. Directions: write facts if the statement refers to the things we need to consider to sell the products, and bluff if not. Number 1, knowledge and skills are needed in producing the product. Is it a fact or bluff? The answer is fact. Number 2, location of the business. Is it a fact or a bluff? The answer is fact. Number 3, products should be plain and simple to attract customers. Is it a fact or bluff? The answer is bluff. Number 4, check what product is in demand in your community. Is it a fact or a bluff? The answer is fact. And number 5, if food, it must be nutritious. Is it a fact or a bluff? The answer is fact. Well done, learners. You really learned a lot. That was great. Let's have our last activity. Choose me. Directions. Choose the letter of the correct answer. Number 1. What should be considered to make the product appealing? A. Budget. B. Packaging. C. Procedure. D. Taste. The answer is letter B. Packaging. Number 2. A series of actions to be done to produce quality product. A. Budget. B. Evaluation. C. Ingredients. D. Procedure. The answer is letter B. Procedure. Number 3. Why is there a need to identify the demand of your customers? A. To earn low profit. B. To identify the materials needed. C. To know the potential customers. D. To have a good plan of your product. The answer is letter D. To have a good plan of your product. Number 4. What kind of product should you sell? A. Damaged. B. Expensive. C. Quality. D. Cheap but easily broken. The answer is letter C. Quality. And number 5. To ensure that the product can be sold and to find out the needs and demands of your customers, you need to make a plan. A. Plan. B. Product. C. Quality. D. Survey. The answer is letter B. Survey. Well done, learners. What is your score? Can you comment it down? Very good, learners. It's nice to know that you are learning. Always remember, a good entrepreneur identifies the demands of the people and plans carefully considering the budget or capital, materials, and the procedures to be done. Planning is a process that gives clear idea on how things should be done. Selling is a process of offering goods in exchange of certain amount of money. Product is a thing produced by the seller to be consumed by the buyer. For your assignment, answer activities on pages 4 and 5 of your TLE module. Your subject teacher will check your answer tomorrow on your follow-up discussion, so don't miss the class. Let us now proceed with our question and answer portion. You may type your question in the comment box. We have a question, and it's from Andy. My sister and I are planning of putting up a small business. What is the most important things we need to remember? That was a great start, Andy. In planning of putting up a business, it is always important that you assess your business ideas. Market research is something that you should never skip. Find out the demands of the market you're getting into work. And assess the strengths and weaknesses of your competitors. That's all for today, learners. But before that, let me acknowledge the following writers, editors, reviewers, layout artists, illustrators, management team, and of course the websites used. And also, I would like to thank my moderator, Mr. Arlo Bernard J. Caballero, and our IT, Mr. Mark Joseph C. Soto, and of course, a special thanks to Mrs. Mary Jane A. Caballero of A. Beato Elementary School for taking part on our video lesson. That's all for today, learners. Always remember, it helps you to be life ready. Until then, bye!